आने दो वेट वेट पीछे पीछे।
एक मिनट
सर, एक मिनट
सोनू सर, सोनू सर। क्या
Well, everyone, ladies and gentlemen, I request you, everyone, each one of you, to please be seated. Thank you so much. And we are very delighted and very honored that our Mr. Mohammed has arrived. Kriya Sangvi. Can we have a huge round of applause for Kriya Sangvi? This is an absolutely mesmerizing performance by Kriya. Kriya, wishing you all the best. Yeah. Can we have the music? Can we all clap and embrace this beautiful performance? Absolutely beautiful. Can we have a huge round of applause? Super. Thank you so much. Thank you. And the next performance, these are the opening acts, and what is the special about all these performances? वो मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगी, but next performance is by the another rock star. Have you seen a little rock star? No, I will make you see a little rock star. He is a chota packet, but bada dhamaka. So can we have a song for Rudra Bhanushali? Woo! Can we have the music, please? Oh my God! Wow! Two absolutely very pretty and very, very talented performers right now, Dimple Chaudhary and Pratiksha Chaudhary. Can we have both of you on stage, please? एक बार जरा जोर में तालियां हो जाए हमारे performance के लिए. And all set? Yes, it is. And can we have the music for Dimple and Pratiksha, please? Oh, especially to you. Woo-hoo!
तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो हाल क्या करे, हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या करे। तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो हाल क्या करे, हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या करे।
मैंने जैसे प्रॉमिस किया था कि मैं कुछ बताऊंगी हमारे परफॉर्मर्स के बारे में, not hear. Can you cochlear implant? And I must say, आज इन्होंने सुना ही नहीं, गाना महसूस भी किया, गाने को साथ में गाने की कोशिश भी की और मंच में आप सभी के सामने परफॉर्मेंस भी दिया, वो भी इतने से एज में. आप बताइएगा मुझे, what transformation it is. हम सब सुनना बहुत पसंद करते हैं और हमें बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगता है गाना सुनना, उसकी धुन में डांस करना. और आज वाकई में ये अकेले नहीं नाचे हैं, मैं दावे के साथ कह सकती हूँ यहाँ पे मौजूद हर किसी के दिल में ना हम सब परफॉर्म कर रहे थे. तो आई एम श्योर लेट्स हैव अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर ऑल ऑफ देम. एंड दिस इज व्हाई वी आर हियर एंड दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी स्पेशल डेडिकेशन टू ऑल ऑफ यू. नाउ राइट नाउ एक्चुअली ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन सिर्फ इन तीनों की जिंदगी में, चारों की जिंदगी में नहीं हुआ था. ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की जो शुरुआत है वो बहुत पहले हो चुकी थी और कितने लोगों के लाइफ में ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आया था. लेट अस हैव अ लुक थ्रू द वीडियो प्लीज. कैन वी हैव द वीडियो प्लेड ऑन टू द स्क्रीन्स प्लीज.
संजय सर को मिलते, उसके बाद मैडम के थ्रू संजय सर से बात होने के बाद बेबी का MRI टेस्ट वगैरह हो गया. उसके बाद इसका कोक्लियर इम्प्लांट सर्जरी क्रिटिकल हॉस्पिटल में अच्छी तरह से हो गया और बच्चे का रिस्पॉन्स भी अच्छा है और बच्चा बोलता भी अच्छा है और बच्चे को सुनाई भी अच्छी तरह दे रही है. गीतांजलि मैडम और संजय सर क्रिटिकल एशिया हॉस्पिटल को हम आभारी हैं और हम उसको धन्यवाद करते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे को सुनने के लिए इतनी हेल्प की और बच्चे को जीवन मिल गया सुनने के लिए.
सुन नहीं सकती थी और इस वजह से इसका स्पीच कुछ भी डेवलप नहीं हो पाया, कुछ बोलती नहीं थी. तो अराउंड 2 साल ऐसे बीत गए. हम लोग इंतज़ार में थे कि कब बोलेगी, बट इसने कुछ बोला भी नहीं और ये कुछ भी नहीं सुनती थी. इसके पीछे क्लैप करो, पीछे से आवाज़ दो, ज़ोर से चिल्लाओ, कुछ भी नहीं सुन पाती थी. तो फिर हमने कोशिश करी पता करने की क्या रीज़न है. डॉक्टर्स के बारे में फाइंड आउट किया. तो डॉक्टर संजय हिलाले सर क्रिटिकल हॉस्पिटल कुल्ला में इनके पास गए. इनसे हमने कांटेक्ट किया. फिर उन्होंने टेस्ट बताए सर ने अच्छे से इसका टेस्ट वगैरह किया, रिपोर्ट्स निकाले. तो इसको प्रोफाउंड हियरिंग लॉस था अराउंड 90 के करीब. फिर इसको हियरिंग एड दिए बट उससे इसको ज़्यादा बेनिफिट नहीं हुआ. बट ये था कि थोड़ा बहुत इसने 3 to 4 मंथ्स के बाद लिसनिंग स्टार्ट कर दिया था. फिर सर ने हमको सजेस्ट किया कि इसको कॉक्लियर इम्प्लांट के लिए जाना चाहिए. फिर कॉक्लियर इम्प्लांट हुआ इसका. उसके कुछ मंथ्स बाद इसने उस पर रिस्पॉन्ड करना साउंड पे अच्छे से स्टार्ट कर दिया. फिर उसको दूर की साउंड, छोटी साउंड भी सुनाई देने लगी और अब इसके
And as you can see that we have made transformation in so many lives, like literally. So let's start by understanding the significance of hearing in our lives. The fact is the ability to hear connect us to the world around us. Of course, from the sound of laughter to the sound of music we all love. However, individuals who are facing the hearing loss, these sounds may not be easily accessible to them. वो हम सब जानते हैं कि हमें पेड़ पे बैठी चिड़िया की चहल पहल हो या शायद म्यूजिक धुन गुनगुनाना कितना अच्छा लगता है, बट हमारे जैसे खुशनसीब हर कोई नहीं होता है. और सालों साल बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे होते हैं जहाँ उनको सुनने की शक्ति जो होती है तो कम होती है या बिल्कुल नहीं होती है. एंड दैट इज़ वॉट वी ऑल आर हियर. क्रिटिकल एशिया ग्रुप ऑफ हॉस्पिटल एंड डॉक्टर संजय हिलाले टेक्स एन इनिशिएटिव बाय मेकिंग एवरीवन aware about this very beautiful and very very important cause, because as we believe that early awareness is early cure. Well, welcome once again to the Sound of Success, an initiative by Critical इंडिया तो ही तो आगे बढ़ पाएगा इंडिया. With that note, I would just like to brief some things about how speech is very important and how hearing and speech goes hand to hand. Speech and hearing are the birthright of every child, enabling them to communicate and connect with the world. Unfortunately, some children are born with impaired hearing known as prelingual deaf. But ladies and gentlemen, let's put more light on that. Cricket has been serving the society for the betterment for more than 25 years, and we take an extra care for every newborn in the hospital and make sure that all the checkups are done on timely basis and the examination and investigations are turned on to very important at early stage. Well, I'd like to invite somebody on stage who is an esteemed expert in the field of audiology and cochlear implants to guide us through the fascination of technology and its impact on the lives of those with hearing loss. Can we have a huge round of applause for Dr. Sanjay Hilare, please? Now, he will take us through the journey of how life has been transformed, and that too in a very, very beautiful way. Over to you, sir.
Good evening, everyone. There is nothing much to talk, my kids were talking. I welcome you all to the sound of success. Happy New Year to all. Happy New Year to those who got a new hearing ear. When first time I met Ma'am Joshi sir and the madam, I mentioned about the program which I initiated earlier, but it was crawling. I said I want to take it forward to the next level. But I said it is a non-commercial activity. He said, go ahead at any cost, at any condition, we have to serve. It is a rich tradition of Criticare Asia Multi-Speciality Hospital to give back to the society. And I take this opportunity to thank Nam Joshi sir to give me the platform to serve the country. And it's a great honor for me to call upon these children. They have come from different part of the country, they have traveled a long distance and they have come over here. I'm very grateful to them. Cochlear implant is an electronic device which is surgically implanted to the child which is born with a hearing impairment and potentially a mute. It can also be implanted to the person who also have a good hearing and enjoy a good hearing throughout the life, but lost the hearing because of infection, trauma or something or other. Then the implantation is helpful when the hearing aid doesn't work. Even in an old age population patient. In Western countries, a lot of adults and the old age people are receiving cochlear implant more than the children. But in our country, the cost being a constraint, we are more of doing children. And the Criticare Asia Hospital in combination with Shrevya Cochlear Implant Program, we are doing this surgery worth the cost of 8-10 lakh rupees totally free under the age of 3. The biggest limitation to go ahead was the cost, which has been eliminated completely. There are two challenges. One is the early detection. If you detect the child's problem, hearing impaired child's problem, and if you don't diagnose at the time, even if you have money, after a certain period, golden period, technology doesn't help them. So to create an awareness for early diagnosis so that we can intervene the child early, so that the child can be mainstreamed to the normal school, we have called someone like Sonu Nigam sir to create an awareness for us. We want to serve. We are there to serve. Please help us in creating awareness with these few words. I will request you to.
Yes, of course, and now I will call upon, he's taken a very, very important initiative. Can we have a huge round of applause for Dr. Deepak Nam Joshi? Can we have a huge round of applause? And also now I will call upon Dr. Deepak Joshi.
As Dr. Gilani has given the introduction and the videos which we have taken, we understand that there are many children as well as adults perhaps who are born to a lesser God, due to which they do not have all the senses which a human being requires to survive. And we have taken that initiative to try and help whomever we can reach out to. We realized the stumbling block was more and more people being aware of it and utilizing the facilities. So I remember when I met Sonuji, I mentioned to him that this is something which we want to promote, and the sweetest voice of the country is undoubtedly of Mr. Sonu Nigam. I told him children are not able to hear your voice, they want to hear your voice. Why don't you reach out to all these people and tell them that they can get their hearing back? And Sonuji, in perhaps a single explanation, just told me, okay, give me the time when you want me to come. We just discussed the dates, and today, here he is. Thank you so much.
Firstly, I would like to thank Sonuji for wholeheartedly participating, as Deepak just said, that we just had to mention this cause to him. It was like, wow, something like this I would like to get associated with. I still remember that moment, and it made so much of a difference to us, and we thought this would be a way where we can create more awareness, because he's a youth icon, he's the most melodious voice of our country, and he is so synonymous with sound. And who else but he would be the right person to create more awareness for this beautiful cause. I'm so proud of these lovely children. It takes a lot of confidence and to perform the way you perform, and you have made us feel so proud today. It is a very satisfying procedure that when you see a child, as a parent also, you are a parent, we are all so many parents in the audience. It is a very satisfying thing when we see a child gaining this hearing aid. You know, so many times they can't lead a normal life, they can't go to the normal school. And I used to feel, and when Deepak and I and Dr. Elari used to discuss, why are we only reaching only few handful? Why can't we reach the country? And this is where the platform is. Thank you, Mr. Sonu Nigam, for being a part of this. I would like to call you up on stage. A big round of applause.
A huge round of applause for the Lord of Lords. He's the golden voice of India. And he has mesmerized all of us with his beautiful voice. Thank you so much for having me here.
Before I hand over the mic for the person whom all of us have been waiting for, I just remembered when I initially contacted Sonuji, he was in Delhi in a shooting, and he saw my missed call and gave me a call back, and then I was telling him about the popular impact. He just told me, "Kya karna hai maine?" That's it. Thank you so much.
Namaste everyone. First of all, I'm really sorry. बहुत दूर है मेरे घर से यहाँ ना, तो आना तो हमारा GPS असेसमेंट ही रॉन्ग हो गया. पहले दिखा 50 मिनट्स, फिर वो 1.5 hours में पहुँचे. Sorry I kept you waiting. It's not our fault. The traffic is उसको unpredictable traffic है. दीपक जी, मासूमा जी, संजय जी, क्या आंखों में आंसू आ गए? ऐसा देखकर जो आप कर रहे हैं, जो आप लोगों ने मिलकर मुहिम चलाई, मैं तो आप मुझे थैंक यू बोल रहे हैं, मैं आपको हज़ार बार थैंक यू बोलता हूँ, क्योंकि आपने मेरी आवाज़ इनको पहुँचाने के काबिल बनाया. क्योंकि इसके पहले तो they could have probably just read my name, they would have heard my name. For them I would just be SONUNIGA whatever. But आपकी वजह से now they know why I am Sonu Nigam, what I do, why people know me for. So thanks to you. क्या कहूँ मैं आपको, इतना ये तो ये कुछ और काम है, ये लाइफ चेंजिंग चीज़ें हैं, ये अलग सेवा है। आप लोग इतने शुद्ध प्योर मन से ये काम कर रहे हैं, वो आपके आचरण में दिखता है। वो तो हम आपको वैसे भी जानते हैं, आप लोग इतने अच्छे लोग हैं, वी नो यू पर्सनल लेवल, सो में सब हम जानते हैं। सो अच्छे लोगों के द्वारा अच्छा काम होता है और आप भगवान आपको